Hello friends, welcome back to the tutorial lab. Today in this video I am going to show you how to find liked pages on Facebook. Sometimes it's very difficult for us to find the liked pages. If you want to find the liked pages on Facebook, follow the instructions. Open the Facebook app and then tap on the three vertical icons for menu and then go to your profile. Then tap on the three dot tap on edit profile. Scroll down, go to the bottom, tap on edit your about info. Here scroll down and find likes. Here you will find the liked pages. Tap on see all. You can see I have liked 126 pages. Tap here. Here we can see all the liked pages are here. Friends, that was a very short tutorial to find the liked pages on Facebook. Hope it will be very helpful for you. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and share with your friends. For more this kind of video, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.